Okay, 6th grade, today we're going to be making paper mâché masks to use for our Egyptian death masks. The supplies that we need are the mask form. It's just a plastic mask face. This is the board that we're going to keep it on so we keep the mess off the table. We're going to be using a special kind of glue. It's paper mâché paste. It's kind of a gel. Kind of yucky. And then we also need these strips of paper, ripped up paper. Our goal is going to be to cover our entire mask 3 times. And we want it in we want to cover the entire board also. Alright, so how we start this is we dip our strips of paper, and I can put a couple in there at a time. And we want to get them kind of saturated with this paste. And the paper will start to feel pretty flimsy. We want our mask right in the middle, maybe a little close to the top. And then we're just going to lay the paper on there and kind of smooth it into where it fits. Now I like to kind of make sure that the paper's covered in the paste, and then you can take your fingers and squeegee it off so it's not dripping wet. We don't want it to be dripping. So I'm squeegeeing it off. You can use a long piece like this. But if your paper's too long for the place you want it, you can just rip it, dip it in there. So I'm just going to keep doing this and cover my whole face as well as the board too. We're going to be cutting something out of this, so we want as much space to cut from. The hardest part is going to be the lips, the eyes. When we get here, you have to really press it down and make sure it's fitting into those grooves, because if you just lay it on top, now we can't even see that there's supposed to be eyes there. We still want to be able to see the face. So I'm going to rip a few more pieces and answer the phone.